Good day, everyone. In this video, I will discuss a networking case study using the OSI model and the TCP/IP model. The OSI model is a seven-layer conceptual model that helps us understand how data travels from one device to another in a network. On the other hand, the TCP model is a four-layer model that is widely used in real-world internet communication. In this scenario, a school experiencing an internet connection failure, students and teachers are unable to access websites, online learning platforms, and email services. Although computers are turned on and Wi-Fi is visible, internet access is still not working. The, the situation affects online class research activities and digital exchange, making it a serious problem for the school. OSI layer analysis. Using the OSI model, we can analyze which layers are involved and where the failure possibly occurred. Physical layer 1. The physical layer involves cables, routers, modems, and power connection. A possible problem with this layer could be loose cables, damaged wires, or powered off network devices. If there's no physical connection, data cannot travel at all. Data, data, data link layer 2. This layer is responsible for local network communications such as water connection and switches. The issue will be faulty network switch, misconfigured Wi-Fi access point, or network guide problem, preventing devices from properly connecting to the local network. Network layer 3. The network layer handles IP addressing and routing. A common problem is incorrect IP configuration, router failure, or inability to reach the default gateway. Devices cannot communicate with the router, they cannot access the internet. Solutions and recommendations. Check router and gateway settings. The start router and modem to refresh the network connection. Verify correct IP address and DNS settings on affected devices. Contact the internet service provider if the issue is external to the school network. Understanding and applying the OSI and TCP model help foster and more accurate troubleshooting, reducing downtime and helping prevent future network issues. Web Case 2. Website cannot be accessed. In this study, involving an internet connection failure in a school, some computers were able to connect to the local network but could not access websites. Initial checks confirmed that network cables, routers, and Wi-Fi access points were functioning properly, indicating the problem was not the physical or data link level. Further investigation focused on DNS resolution. Although devices had valid IP address and could successfully ping the router website, names could not be resolved. This pointed to a DNS configuration issue where the DNS server was either unreachable or incorrectly set in the ISI model. This problem occurs at the application layer, while in the TCP IP model it falls under the application layer as well. In addition, some users experience slow loading or failed connection even when DNS was working. This suggested transport and application layer issues, such as black ports, misconfigured firewall rules, or overloaded services in the OSI model. This issue involved the transport layer, communication, and application layer, while in the TCP model, both handled with the application layer. OSI layer analysis. When comparing TCP and OSI layer involvement, the OSI model provides a more detailed step-by-step breakdown that help isolate whether the issue is related to naming services, data transport, or application. On the other hand, the TCP model groups this function into every layer, making it more practical for real-world troubleshooting. By using both models together, technicians were able to identify the root cause of the problem. Case study 3. Online exam system disruption. During an online examination in school, several students reported that the exam system suddenly froze. Answers failed to submit, and some students were logged out of the platform. While internet access was still available, the online exam system became unstable, disrupting the assessment process. The disruption also led to session interruptions since online exam systems rely on continuous communication between the client and servers. Server lost packets, cause forced to reconnect. In the OSI model, session-related problems affect the session layer, which manage, and maintains active connection as well. Thank you.